This question comes from Max, who asks, what if we could plug Earth directly into a galactic power grid?
Max, congratulations! You've officially taken binge-watching Netflix to a cosmic level. Forget rolling blackouts, we're talking eternal energy, and possibly eternal chaos.
First, let's picture what a galactic power grid would even look like. Imagine a network of energy beaming across light years, connecting stars, planets, maybe even alien civilizations.
Max, think of it as the ultimate universal outlet. But instead of 120 volts, we're talking joules that could power 1,000 Earths, or vaporize them. Plugging in sounds convenient, right? Suddenly, every city lights up 24/7. Electric cars never run out of charge, and your refrigerator becomes a personal climate-controlled bunker.
Max, energy bills? A thing of the past. But there's a catch. Earth's infrastructure is not exactly ready for galactic-scale current. You try sticking a 12-volt plug into a supernova, it doesn't end well.
Let's do the math. The average human uses about 2 kilowatts per day.
Earth? Around 18 terawatts. Now, a galactic grid could be delivering petawatts, exawatts, even yottawatts.
Max, that's 10 to the 12th power times more energy than we currently use. Your toaster could toast the entire planet before breakfast.
Heat becomes an immediate problem. All that energy has to go somewhere. Even if we only diverted a fraction to our electronics, friction, resistance, and inefficiency would turn cities into instant ovens.
Max, forget summer heat waves. We're talking global inferno. Maybe a new sport, competitive urban roasting. And what about stability? Energy surges on a galactic scale could trigger magnetic storms, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Max, imagine plugging in your blender and accidentally triggering a continental blackout on a planetary scale. A little power surge takes on a terrifyingly literal meaning.
Then there's the issue of compatibility. Are we syncing with alien voltage standards? Max, you thought American versus European plugs was confusing. Try Earth versus Andromeda. A misalignment could result in immediate plasma storms, or, worse, turning the entire atmosphere into a glowing aurora of doom. On the bright side, energy scarcity would become a distant memory. Max, we could terraform planets, launch interstellar missions, and maybe even finally get that hoverboard working without worrying about charging stations. But balance is key. Too much, and we cook the planet. Too little, and we're still stuck with brownouts. So if Max plugs Earth into the galactic grid, we could experience unprecedented technological growth, or unprecedented planetary destruction. Cities might gleam like stars in the night sky, right before they vaporize. Survival depends on careful regulation, energy sinks, and maybe a galactic-level breaker switch. In short, Max, plugging into a galactic power grid is both the dream and the nightmare of every energy engineer. Infinite power, infinite possibilities, and infinite potential for oops.
P.S. Max, maybe start with a cosmic power strip first. Baby steps before turning Earth into a literal star.